Hey girls, thanks for joining me.
It's my niche, play my role, what you...
So you want to know how this cheap hair from the beauty supply store looks and works, right? Well, I got all the tea for you. You can make your own wig, and I'll show you guys 2 colors. So if you want to slay just in time for summer, just keep on watching.
I want to give it to you.
Yeah, so scared when it hurts, but there's no way around it. So bad 'cause it hurts like that when I think about it.
I want to give it to you.
Okay guys, raise your hand if you know how to make your own wig. Me! Just kidding. If you're new to this channel, of course I'm going to show you how I make this wig. It is so quick, I promise you. You'll probably be making wigs for therapy, like me. And as always, you guys, all these supplies are in my Amazon store. And I always get this question, like, who is my hair plug? Where did I get my hair for so cheap? But you guys, the beauty supply store. It's super cheap synthetic hair that you can practice wig making with. So just go to your local beauty supply. Tell them you're looking for this hair. Tell them the Brilliant Beauty sent you. All right, back to the wig making. So I start at what would be the nape of my neck, and I cut pieces that are equivalent to like my own nape. So the wig cap simulates a head, so I just do like little pieces across the back of the wig cap. I cut the hair and I just literally glue it on.
So we could get mellow, just like we're 17. Home alone back in your basement.
It's so easy, right? Well, if you do have any questions at all, just shoot me a comment and I'll definitely get back to you. But as you can see, I'm currently making a wig with the blue hair. I'm also going to make one with the black hair. So I just love making wigs. So this time I made 2 just to show you guys how both colors look. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep making that U shape until we get to the top of our head. And we're going to do the fun part, which is the lace closure. So this is what a synthetic silk base closure looks like. If you haven't seen one, I guess now you have. This gives it a more scalp-like look, and there's no cheap scratchy lace. And yes, I glue that bad baby right onto the dome cap like I do the wefting. I mean, 30 seconds doing this compared to 10 minutes trying to sew it down. I'll take the easy way for 500, Alex. And this comes with extra reinforcement, so I think that's what they intended for you to do. So I'll just take the easy way. And of course, you guys, I use low temperature hot guns always so I don't burn myself. And if you're subscribed and you're part of the notification gang, you know all my tips and tricks. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I got something new for you every time, so you don't want to miss it. All right, let's try her on. Wish me luck. Honestly, the black one looks a lot better than I thought it would. It did not do itself justice on that mannequin. I didn't realize this was crooked, so yeah, let me fix her real quick and then I'll come back and show y'all how the black one looks.
If you wanna get mellow, if you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow, yeah. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and
okay guys, so here she is. I have no idea how she looks up close, but I know she looks good for the most part. Okay. So guys, that was the black one. Now I'm super excited to try the blue one because guys, I think I'm in love. And I think I wore the perfect makeup too. Shout out to my girl Bammy for giving me makeup inspo for this hair color. I didn't want to go too bold. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was so tempted to do like all blue. So this was definitely a success. This one I honestly had the least faith in because I don't know if y'all saw her on the mannequin, but I was not feeling it at first. Do your whole look and then see how good this color looks. I just wish they had it in like a purple, like a nice dark purple. Some black roots come up to here, but this is like a realistic, not too bright color. It's very on trend right now, so I'm glad they added this color. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for summer, so let me know what you'll be rocking this season, because the sun is out. It's so warm outside. It's so nice. I've been outside every day. Praise him. Yes. So, what video do you want to see next? Click this one or this one, and I'll see you there.
I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean.